Welcome back. Well, coming up on May 4th, the Village String Band will be having their event, and if you would like to go, it's going to be at the Performing Arts Center. We have Sunshine Ludi on today, along with Paul Lambert. Welcome back.
Thank you.
So tell me about the Village String Band. How did it start, and what is everyone, I mean, we're looking at the photo here, everybody's got all kinds of string instruments that they're playing.
They do, that's what it's all about.
Right.
It started a long time ago because it's been in business since 1992.
Oh, wow, okay.
It had a different name then. It was Country Hot Shots.
Oh, okay. What made you change it?
Well, when they decided to go with Leisure World Variety Band.
Oh, okay.
And they had that for a few years until it wasn't Leisure World anymore.
Right, okay.
And then it became the Village String
And
Band.
at some point, the Village String Band, which was a club, became affiliated with the Emeritus Institute,
Okay.
which now supplies us with Louise Jacobs, who's our musical director. So it's both a club and a class.
Oh, okay.
And
Right.
so
Right.
she makes sure we hit the right notes at the right time and have
plays
the
the
right
piano.
arrangements.
And the band itself, again, we're looking at this, everyone plays the strings, but you're accompanied by a piano as well?
We have
or is
a
that
piano,
just
and
rehearsal?
sometimes it's on, sometimes it's not.
Right, right.
And we have all sorts of stringed instruments. He has the guitar, I have the bass guitar, we have
Fiddles,
Fiddles.
auto harp, a banjolele someone has.
A banjolele?
A banjolele. It's,
I've never heard, it's like a small banjo?
It's a banjo that's strung like a ukulele. So if you
Okay.
know how to play the ukulele, you can play this instrument, but it sounds like a banjo.
I've never heard of that
Yes.
instrument.
and then there's
Wow.
a real banjo too.
Yes,
And a real banjo.
that I've heard of, but yeah, I've
And
never heard of the other one though.
Accordion,
Interesting.
mandolin, drums,
Wow.
string, metal string guitar.
That's quite a
Yeah,
lot,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Now, you have a list here of the music that you're going to be playing.
Yes,
and
would
this
you like
is what's
to see
coming
that?
up.
There we go.
And it's actually, what, you got about 20, at least 25?
Yeah.
25 songs.
Wow.
Yeah.
2 hours worth.
Yeah. Now, a lot of these, when you look at them, they're pretty short, like
Yeah,
3-4
they are.
minutes.
They are.
Right?
They're all about 3 minutes long.
And you have all the different folks, so some will be on, some will be together, or
Right.
dual
We
or
have
three.
some ensembles, we have solos, and we even have a quartet. It was supposed to be a men's quartet, but they didn't have a tenor. I ended up being in it.
Okay.
The tenor, yes.
And how do you pick these songs?
A lot of times the people just bring in a song and say, I really would like to do this.
Okay.
And Louise has the final word where they're saying yes or no. So,
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you, obviously, the way you have it flow throughout the performance, right? Have
right, she puts together the order of the program, and there we go.
Now, being that this is also a class, when does this take place? Is it a weekly class?
Oh,
It is.
It is.
Okay.
It's on Thursdays at 10 o'clock.
In the Performing Arts Center.
And it runs on a class schedule. So it starts in September, goes through
So like the fall and
December.
spring.
Fall
like
and
so-
spring,
yeah.
yeah.
And obviously, if somebody comes to this class, they probably need some.
they need to register.
They need some musical background,
Right.
They
right?
do. They
yeah.
do.
Okay.
If they don't have musical it's not where that you're being taught to do this.
Right.
You need to know how to do some
Yeah.
things. I mean,
right.
if you're really working on it yourself, you can learn as you go, but you got to
Right.
have some basics.
Yeah.
And generally, the September through December class, or August through December, we bring in songs, we try them out, we decide we don't want to do it, or the person decides they don't want to do it. And
Yeah.
then in the second semester, we hone it down, and in the last several classes, we run through the entire 2-hour
Okay.
program.
So that we can make that.
Now, you've performed, I know you have this, but don't you also do things throughout the year?
Well,
Like maybe a smaller version of this where some of you
well,
attend?
not the Village String Band, but of course I have the Sunshine Performance
Okay,
Club that
all right.
does stuff. And
I thought maybe sometimes
Yeah.
you guys got together and played for certain events. And
the Village String Band used to do that. They used to go out to some of the retirement homes, but we haven't done that for a while.
okay, all right. Yeah, because you guys would, like some of the events at the Equestrian Center, you'd be perfect for that. Put on your cowboy
Actually,
hats.
the ukulele club usually does that.
Okay.
Because the ukulele club has.
Is that an
both-
offshoot of the string band?
No, it's entirely different.
Okay.
But the ukulele club also has guitars.
Oh, okay.
So, and they play from a songbook, and they don't have an annual concert the way that the string band does.
We've got quite a lot of members in this.
We do, we do.
We've
We
got
have,
about 30.
30? Yeah, I think so,
about-
yeah.
Are all most of the members participate in this?
Most of them are, yeah, because they're all listed here. Everyone is either playing something, an instrument, and some of them are singing. Not all of them are singing, but
Okay, so some of the performances are instrumental, and some you got some singing in it.
And we encourage people during the concert to sing along and just have a hoot, just
Yeah.
have a really good time of it.
Well, I want to remind everyone that it's coming up not this weekend, the following weekend, Saturday, May 4th at 7 o'clock at the Performing Arts Center. Tickets are $5. They get them over there at that box office,
they
and
do.
it's open seating, so maybe get there a little bit early so you get a good seat and enjoy the performance.
that's correct.
Should be a lot of fun.
Yep.
It is.
All right, and what do you play?
I play guitar and baritone ukulele.
Okay, baritone ukulele.
Yes.
I didn't know there were different ukuleles.
Yes, there's soprano, baritone, concert.
All right, very good. And you play
Bass
bass
guitar.
guitar.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Great to see you both today.
Thank
and
you.
Again, May 4th, that's the date, Performing Arts Center.
Saturday.
Come on down.
All right. We'll be right back.
Thank you.
Thank you.